What's up everyone, this video is about how to install Sony Vaio ACPI SNY 5001 driver for your Vaio laptop on Windows 7, 8 and Windows 10. So here are the steps. Visit official sony.co.uk site and download Sony SFEP driver for your Vaio laptop. After you have downloaded it, unpack the archive. Now, if you will try to install it like this, it will show you an error. This update is not intended to use with your computer model. Still, there is a way to fix this and install the driver you need. Download and install Universal Extractor. You can download it from this website. The link will be in the video description. After you have downloaded and installed Universal Extractor, unpack this driver file. Once the driver was unpacked, you will find your driver in temp.exe folder here. Now you can install it like this. Open Device Manager, locate your Sony firmware extension parser driver, right click on it and click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for driver software, browse and show the path to driver unpacked. Then click Next and the driver will be installed. That's it. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.